Well, good morning. Just wanted to remind you, if you're getting out this morning, you might want to run by Harbor Freight. There's some really good sales going on. So let me show you a few. Welcome to day 4 of the deal of the day of the 10 days of deals at Harbor Freight. Today's deals on Monday, May 4th are 35% off all the Franklin carts. So I've selected a few of them to share with you. We got the Franklin 1,000 pound capacity hydraulic table cart. Normal price $359.99. This is the heavy duty one. Down to $233.99 if you buy it today. So you might want to give this a thought if you've been looking at it a little bit on the fence. I really don't think you're going to hardly beat that price. That's a great price. Next, we got the 500 pound capacity. Normally it's $249.99. It's going to knock it down to $162.49. Same deal. Most of us can get by with 500 pound. Some people need that heavier one, but if this one will do you, $162.49 if you pick it up today. Then we got the Franklin 36 by 24 2-shelf utility cart in gray. These are very handy to have around the shop or in the garage. You can carry your parts on it. You can put various tools on it per job or set up each individual cart for a specific area, such as electrics or plumbing or your hand tools or, what have you. This thing's normally $129.99. Monday only, $84.49. That cart also comes in black. That's a good looking cart right there. Decent wheels. I mean, you're not going to be hauling a ton around on there, but it's not made for that. It will carry your parts, and it also serves as a mobile workbench. So normally $129.99 down to $84.49. And here's a 30 by 16 2-shelf. This one's also $64.49. It's a little bit narrower. It's a 30 by 16. So it's a nice size. It'll fit up against the wall when not in use. Won't stick out very far. And that also comes in gray. This is also that 30 by 16. It's a polypropylene. It's a service card, as they're calling it. So these are very handy to have around. And normally at $99.99, if you knock that 35% off, $64.49. It's possible they can beat this deal this year, but these are really, really good bargains on these carts. As you looked at every one of them, the ratings are nearly 5 stars. So everybody that buys them enjoys them, and I think you will too. And I believe that's all I had of these for the moment. So if you get out to Harbor Freight on Monday, today, hope you pick up what you need here. And also look at my other videos if you're needing to see the ITC coupons or the super coupons. And until the next video, please like and subscribe, and y'all take care.